All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. The only channel that's gonna bring you full property tours out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Only channel that's gonna educate you through the process of purchasing a home. So today we are here in the beautiful Summerlin in the master plan community. The builder here is Woodside Homes, and the name of this neighborhood is Obsidian. They do have two collections, a total of I'm gonna say what, 5 models. Collection 1's over here. This is collection 2. Okay, and this one that we are going to be touring is the Sapphire Plan 5. This is 1,859 square feet. A lot of upgrades to this home, but what we're going to do is we're going to take a walk. We're going to see exactly what is going on with this home. So it looks like we have a bedroom on the first floor, which is really nice. Okay, you have an option 2 to 3. I would definitely do a 3 on a resale. You should always do a 3-bedroom regardless. Minimum requirements out here to maximize your return on your investment. 3 bedrooms, minimum 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, unless if it's a single story. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2-car garage. 9-foot ceilings throughout. So you have your closet here. You got a couple built-ins. Okay. If I'm moving too fast for you guys, let me know and I'll slow it down. This is the 2-car garage. Now the 2-car garage, this one is actually in the back of the house, and that's for collection 2. Now for collection 1, it's in front of the house. I think I'm liking collection 1 so far. Collection 1 is going to be a little bit more pricier than collection 2. Now this was the 13. Right next door is the 1355 model. Now, one thing that I don't like about this collection is this. You see how you have this main wall right here? Then this is kind of like your courtyard. Here's the downfall with this. So let's just say if this is your house. This is your neighbor over here partying. They decide that they want to put plants. Water sprays on this stucco right here. So the problem is that you'll never know if this thing starts to deteriorate or if you have problems because now it is attached. So that's something that I do not care for, just because of that reason. Because what happens if somebody's damaging your wall? You never know about it. Next thing you know it, something serious happens and it costs you more money, or if they sell it, you're just never aware of that situation, right? So that's the reason why I do not care for it. I would rather have a common wall in between the homes. Again, that's just my personal preference. That doesn't really mean anything. I'm just some guy behind the camera making fun YouTube videos. Matter of fact, I'm not even a realtor sometimes, or a real estate agent. Sometimes I'm a part comedian. That's right. So check us out at the Comedy Club this week Friday at 9 a.m. That's right. I will be the only guy there. Now guys, that was a joke. I was having some fun. Wow. I am very impressed with this open living here. Gorgeous. Ooh, I'm liking this one. I love that feature wall painted black there. I think that's cool. Look at this. I want to give you guys a different perspective from all sides here. HOAs are $48 a month. Then you got the master. The master's $48 a month. Then $79 for the. Let me see here. Where did I go? These dang sheets. Too many dang pieces of paper. I do apologize. See, I can't remember all this and hold the piece of paper at the same time. It's like, come on, guys. Yeah, $79 a month, you goofball. But if you guys want more information, give us a call. I'll have all the information that you need. I can email it to you guys too as well. All you got to do is request it, and I will also send you the upgraded sheet too as well. Just request it. Got the cook countertops. Nice. 42 upper cabinet standard with the maple with this builder. I just don't know if you guys like maple or not. I'm not too fond of maple. Let's go out to the balcony. Now, I think this table is a little bit too big for the balcony. We have an 8-foot slide. Oh, it's nice if you have this view right here, right? It's kind of cool hanging out here, play cards. I mean, right now the weather's great to be doing this right now in Vegas. We have a high of 70s, low 80s. That's right. So now let's make our way this way. See what we got here. We have the water closet. That would make sense to build a full cabinet right there, that's for sure. All right, let's go upstairs to the 3rd floor. Let's get into the primary and also the 3rd bedroom in here. So laundry, thank God the laundry is on the 3rd floor. Whew. Imagine walking downstairs. All right, so let's try this one. So this one has its own bathroom. Really nice. And your walk-in closet. Your smart panel box here. Alright, let's take a look at this. Oh! Look at the fact that you got a balcony here too. I'm not going outside, folks. I'm too lazy. Too lazy. So you got a Santa Fe texture. You do have the option for orange peel. Got the undermounted sink. Make sure to check all your quartz too, because once you sign off on your quartz, there's nothing that you could do about it. Warranty no longer covers it. Also your windows too. I noticed a lot of people are not checking their windows. The last walk we did, there was a gouge on it. Good thing we caught it. Also the window screens too as well. I think this is a pretty good floor plan. The only thing is I don't know if I'm ready to walk upstairs. Like 3 flights of stairs. It's almost like the 1st floor is just a waste, like dead space. Like I said before, if you guys want more information about this property, go ahead and send me an email. I will have my full contact information in the link description below. Also, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. The Chakits Krulsawat group would definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Now, if you contact our company, Simply Vegas, because that's who we hang our license with, okay? And you want to work with me and my team, make sure to ask them this. Do you work for Chakits? It's not do you work with Chakits, okay? Don't want nobody to be misled, okay? Because we do have a team in place, and we want to make sure that you are working with one of our trained agents. That's right. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.